Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a transformative force, reshaping the way we interact with technology and envision the future. As we navigate this dynamic field, it's natural to encounter a myriad of questions. In this frequent asked question video, we aim to provide concise and informative answers to the top 25 questions about AI, catering to beginners and enthusiasts alike. From understanding the basics to exploring applications in diverse domains, this video aims to demystify AI and foster a deeper appreciation for its potential impact on our lives. Frequent asked question number 1. What is artificial intelligence, AI? Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence, such as problem-solving and decision-making. Frequent asked question number 2. How is machine learning different from artificial intelligence? Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on developing algorithms, allowing computers to learn from data and improve performance without explicit programming. Frequent asked question number 3. What are the types of artificial intelligence? There are 2 types: narrow AI, designed for specific tasks, and general AI, aspiring to mimic human intelligence across various domains, still a theoretical goal. Frequent asked question number 4. What is deep learning in AI? Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning using neural networks with multiple layers to model and solve complex problems, particularly effective in tasks like image and speech recognition. Frequent asked question number 5. Can you provide examples of artificial intelligence in daily life? Yes, examples include virtual personal assistants like Siri, recommendation systems, Netflix suggestions, and predictive text on smartphones. Frequent asked question number 6. How does AI learn from data in machine learning? In machine learning, algorithms are trained on labeled datasets where the model learns to map inputs to outputs, making predictions when given new data. Frequent asked question number 7. What is natural language processing, NLP, in AI? NLP focuses on the interaction between computers and human language, enabling applications like chatbots and language translation. Frequent asked question number 8. What are the ethical considerations in artificial intelligence? Ethical considerations in AI include issues of bias, transparency, accountability, and the impact of AI on employment. Frequent asked question number 9. Is AI the same as automation? No, AI involves machines performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, while automation refers to the use of machines to perform specific tasks without human intervention. Frequent asked question number 10. How is AI used in healthcare? AI in healthcare includes applications like diagnosis assistance, personalized medicine, and predictive analytics for patient outcomes. Frequent asked question number 11. What programming languages are commonly used in AI development? Python is widely used in AI development due to its simplicity and extensive libraries, but other languages like Java and C++ are also used. Frequent asked question number 12. What is the role of reinforcement learning in AI? Reinforcement learning involves training an agent to make decisions by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. Frequent asked question number 13. Can AI replace human jobs? AI may automate certain tasks, but it is also creating new jobs and opportunities. The impact on employment depends on various factors. Frequent asked question number 14. How does AI contribute to cybersecurity? AI is used in cybersecurity for threat detection, anomaly detection, and identifying patterns of malicious activities to enhance overall security. Frequent asked question number 15. Are there any risks associated with artificial intelligence? Risks include biases in AI algorithms, job displacement, privacy concerns, and the potential for misuse of AI in malicious activities. Frequent asked question number 16. What is the Turing test in AI? The Turing test assesses a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from that of a human during a conversation. Frequent asked question number 17. Can AI be creative? AI can exhibit creativity in tasks like generating art, music, or writing, but the concept of true creativity is still debated. Frequent asked question number 18. How is AI applied in finance? AI is used in finance for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, credit scoring, and personalized financial advice. Frequent asked question number 19. What are the challenges in implementing AI in businesses? Challenges include data quality, lack of skilled professionals, ethical concerns, and integrating AI into existing business processes. Frequent asked question number 20. How does AI impact education? AI in education includes personalized learning, intelligent tutoring systems, and automating administrative tasks to enhance the learning experience. Frequent asked question number 21. What are some popular AI frameworks? TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn are popular AI frameworks used for developing machine learning and deep learning models. Frequent asked question number 22. Can AI systems make decisions independently? AI systems make decisions based on programmed algorithms and learned patterns, but they lack true consciousness and independent reasoning. Frequent asked question number 23. What role does AI play in self-driving cars? AI is crucial in self-driving cars for tasks like object detection, path planning, and decision-making based on real-time sensor data. Frequent asked question number 24. How can individuals learn AI and machine learning? Individuals can learn AI and machine learning through online courses, books, coding tutorials, and hands-on projects using platforms like Kaggle. Frequent asked question number 25. What is the future of artificial intelligence? The future of AI holds continued advancements in areas like natural language understanding, robotics, and increased integration into various industries, shaping the way we live and work. It has become evident that artificial intelligence is not just a technological advancement, but a profound shift in the way we approach problem-solving, decision-making, and innovation. The ethical considerations, practical applications, and future possibilities underscore the need for continued exploration and responsible development of AI technologies. As we embark on this journey armed with knowledge and curiosity, the possibilities within the realm of AI are limitless. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.